Adrienne for WDW Bound. Today is the day that I'm recording is Wednesday, September 29th. Yeah, September 29th. And this has been an insane few weeks. So I'm not even sure what day, time, or year it is at this point anyway. But all that to say that I'm super excited because it is time to officially start packing for our Walt Disney World vacation. We are headed down to Walt Disney World Resort for the 50th anniversary with the kids. Husband's still at work, so it's time to start packing. And you guys seem to really enjoy my packing thought process video last time, so I thought we would do it again for this one because I've got a couple of special outfits planned, obviously, and I'm trying to get a whole theme together for the family. So we're really excited. I hope that you're excited and are ready to go on this vacation with us. All right, let's see what we got to do first. Apparently the first thing on my list is laundry. Go through all the laundry and watch some Molly. So before I get these packed up and forget to show them, these are the shirts that I've made for our 50th day in Magic Kingdom. We wanted to pay homage to opening day attractions. So my daughter, it says Main Street, but it's really, she's going as the castle. She's got a really cute pair of ears. I'll have to show them to you. I'm doing the Prince Charming Regal Carousel. And my husband, of course, is doing Haunted Mansion because it's his favorite. And then I haven't made my son's yet, but I'll include it at another time. He is actually going to be doing Tomorrowland Speedway because it's his favorite. And like we mentioned in one of our previous videos, I had no idea that that was an opening day attraction. So I felt like we had to. Good morning. It is now day 2 of packing and preparing for our Disney World trip. I just dropped the kids off at school. They're going for just a couple hours so that they get counted present because we're taking another Disney trip in December that they're going to miss in school. So I didn't want them to, get too many absences and at least be there for a little bit. Plus the kids, I think, had some standardized testing this week, so we didn't want them to miss out on that. So I'm headed into Walmart because I forgot to grab a couple of things. We need some chewable Pepto because I've turned into my mother and now have a fully stocked medicine bag whenever we travel anywhere, just in case, because you never know. And I think there were 1 or 2 other things I need to pick up for the cats or for the home or whatever for while we're gone. Last night we did some pre-trip shopping too. Chris and I took the kids to Five Below for our traditional road trip snack raid, the snack aisle shopping trip. So they'll have plenty of things to eat while we're headed down there. Because we drive. I think I've mentioned that before. Usually we drive and it's a good 9-ish hours to 10 hours depending on how, what kind of stops we make or whatever. So we did that, and then we went to Sam's to grab a couple of gift cards so that we could use those to pay for anything that we're using on the trip. We always go to Sam's because you get a discount. And we're also upgrading the kids to annual passes this trip. So I grabbed a couple of gift cards to pay for that too. Because at Sam's, if you don't know, depending on what amount of gift cards you buy, will depend on how much of a savings you get. The smaller amount gift cards actually give you a bigger discount, but it's a lot of work, so that extra 0.5% or whatever usually isn't worth it to me. So we picked up a few of the $500 gift cards, and they were $484. So I mean, $60 is $60. I'll take it. So anyway, headed into Walmart, grab a couple things, and then we'll check back in after we get the kids, before we get the kids, and so that I can finish up packing. And then we'll check in later as we actually start traveling. All right, let's go. Y'all, my husband put googly eyes. I'm dead. We are now at the packing for my kids section of packing. So my son, real easy. I just threw him a couple of pair of khaki shorts in there because it's still supposed to be around 90-degree highs this weekend in Disney. So we're going to just kind of go with that. And then just a comfy pair of black shorts for the day that we come back home. And then I just bought this shirt from Box Lunch and I figured we really needed to wear it. It's Phineas and Ferb, which is one of my favorite kid shows ever. And it's all the different times that they were asked, "Aren't you a little young?" Yes, we are. So I just thought that was super cute, and he definitely needed to wear that. And then my daughter, again, also, she's super easy these days. She just wears leggings and then some cute comfy tops. And then of course there's her shirt and the ears for the actual 50th day. So packing for the kids is easy. It's myself that I'm struggling on. And you know, I told y'all guys last time that I bought those leggings with the pockets, and I still really love those, but I just don't know what tops to wear. Again, it's gonna be like 90 degrees. We're headed to Animal Kingdom Sunday morning, and I love this top for Animal Kingdom, but I feel like I've done that before. I thought about a Spirit jersey, one of my Spirit jerseys, but I think it's gonna be too hot. Even though that might be cool that morning, and then we're gonna be traveling the rest of that day, so maybe I'll wear a Spirit jersey that morning. I don't know. It's me that I'm struggling on. Or I could just wear like a normal black top, and then I've got this super cute hat, which I think would also be cute for Animal Kingdom, even though we're gonna be there just for a couple hours. So I don't know. Ignore all my scrubs, by the way. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Also, I don't normally do this, but I just got this top from Amazon, and I'm obsessed with it for a traveling day outfit. This morning in South Carolina, it's 60 degrees, so it's still like pretty cold outside. And I am just like, I just love it so much. It's so soft and comfy and long, and it looks good with my leggings. And then I've got these cute little like memory foam sneakers that I picked up at Walmart actually. And then these are those leggings I told you about with the pockets in the side. So like, I don't know, I'm just really feeling my travel outfit today. What do y'all think? All right, so I finished packing for me. I ended up going with a Spirit jersey. It's like a lightweight one. It's from Box Lunch, so it's not super thick like the ones from Disney World. And then I picked actually one of those like floaty chiffon blouses for Epcot, because Epcot always stays super hot too. So Epcot and Hollywood Studios, and that's what I'm gonna wear that day. So all of that is packed. Now I've just got hygiene products and, you know, odds and ends, chargers, that sort of thing, and we're all done. And we're so excited to be headed down today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and we will see y'all in our next video. Thanks, bye.